9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition. Alright, you guys ready? Alright. Yeah. Yep. Ready to roll. Today we're on an adventure.
Yo, I think we got one here. SB, tell them to cut the checks. You can't rain on my parade. No, you can't. Sun keep kissing on my face. Wow, yeah. Who told you I was afraid? Listen, I ain't never scared. Mess around and catch a fade. Knuckle sandwich to the squares. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my parade. See, I'm floating. You can't rain on my parade. Everybody know my name. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my. This the road to help make us. And I heard that them potholes are getting paved up. Crime waves when I see all of my haters, cause I know they still love me. Those are budget sets, so they gotta go and pay up. I remember no commas, all of my pay stuff. So we hit the thrift, so I fit to have a little flavor. Somehow when I lost you.
What elevation are we currently at? 1132. We're going to drop quite a bit the next few miles. Yeah. Because we're going to be down to about 50 feet here soon. Yeah.
I was afraid. I ain't never scared. Mess around and catch a
Downtown Toledo. Heck yeah.
You can't rain on my.
Awesome.
You can't rain on my parade. See, I'm floating. You can't rain on my parade. Everybody know my name. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my. See a loser, hate to see a winner smile. And I remember when my pockets had a little thinner style. Oh, it's still
awesome.
Great. They tell you to wait. My best advice is that you better go and get it now. A little way you shine.
The nice thing about putting raincoats on is it'll keep it from raining.
They wanna impair your flight. Somehow when I lost you, you never changed up. When they try to go and take you down, you better tell them you can't rain on my parade. No, you can't. Sun keep kissing on my face. Wow, yeah. Who told you I was afraid? Listen, I ain't never scared. Mess around and catch a fade. Knuckle sandwich to the squares. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my parade. See, I'm floating. You can't rain on my parade. Everybody know my name. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my. You can't rain on my.
Cherishing this bridge. I know, it's amazing how much you come to appreciate bridges when you ride motorcycles in the backcountry.
What's happening?
The roof like locked up.
Is it?
Yeah.
So when I rolled in here, it was like kind of hard and with the clutch in, but
Yeah, it's like that's down.
Is it supposed to be on the case like that?
No, look at the smoke.
Ooh.
It's not even touching the case.
Oh.
I I need to let it cool off. It's
But what do you think of the power?
good. I like it, but holy crap.
You can touch okay.
Yeah, I can.
It's not too tall for you.
Just kickstand.
What the heck happened, man?
Weird. It's like it went down and it just got hot on there.
Well, I thought I was recording. Oh, still recording.